Can you block someone on Tinder? If any day you have a confusion on whether you can block someone on Tinder or not, then just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch the Tinder application on your mobile device. After you launch the Tinder application on your mobile device, you can see an interface like this. After you see an interface like this, now you have to go to the very option of the home there. And after that, you have to go to the very chat section. The very chat section is located on the downside. After you go to the chat section, now one thing you have to remember is in order to block someone on Tinder, both of you have to make a match there. Because if both of you have not made a match on Tinder, you cannot block the person. And if both of the person had made the match out there, you have to go to the very person that you would like to block. You have to tap on the very person, and after you tap on the very person, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the security like option on the top and tap on it. After you go to the security like option on the top, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to search the option of the block there, and after you see the option of block, you have to tap on the option of the block there. After you tap on the option of the block, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the option of yes block, and after you tap on the option of the yes block, the very person will be blocked from your very Tinder account there. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.